Welcome to the solution video for the Barrel Cooper's puzzle box. I actually just solved it, so I can definitely show you how to solve it step by step. Now, a little bit quicker than my first time going through. So if you are looking for more of a review of the product and me trying to figure it out, definitely check out that video on my other channel. But for this video, we are just looking at the full solution. So, spoiler warning, definitely going to be some spoilers here as we show how to solve this puzzle. Alright, first off, the stand has nothing to do with it, the solved has nothing to do with it. Your first step is to get this pin out of here. And to do that, there's a magnet inside that needs to be dropped. Ready? Boom. Smack it, and then this piece will come out. Pretty straightforward. Okay, that pin doesn't do anything from now on, so it doesn't matter if it's up or down. But now you have a key that you're going to use on this piece. What we want to do is line this up with the back end, and it's actually going to go all the way through and push the back end off. To do that, we actually have to rotate that around and pull this out to rotate the middle piece around as well. And that's the lineup that we want to have. You can see it if you look right here that it goes past. See that white in there? That's the end of this. So we definitely want that to go past. And part of the trick to this is that there is a double thread inside here. So see how there's this little bit of motion? If you push it in and twist, here's what will happen. It will get stuck right there. But if you pull it out and twist, it goes on a different thread, and that will allow you to go past here. Let me try and show you here. See, that's the white piece going past there and all the way to this end. And when you turn it, you'll start to see this happen. See, it's pushing on the other end. And you can feel it starting to put pressure on the key. So, oh, look, it is coming out. You don't have to put a lot of pressure, and in fact, I would sort of avoid putting a lot of pressure. Just slowly push it so that this can come out here. Remember, it is made out of plastic, so we don't want to break it. Alright, inside here, I thought I had solved it, and it said keep looking, there's more puzzle that awaits. You can get this piece out, and here you can see the double thread there. One of them leads to a dead end, and one of them goes past the edge, so it's cool. That's probably one of the most challenging parts of this puzzle, except that it moved quite a bit, and it wouldn't move with one and it would with the other, so it's just something to look for when you're doing puzzle solving, for sure. Alright, at this point you can see straight through. So what we're going to do is take this bottom two sections and turn them all the way around. So we pull this one out and twist it all the way around, and we twist this one all the way around so that we have these three lines on that side. On the inside, it looks dark, but it's supposed to. And then take that and you push this end. Whoops. Speaking of breaking plastic stuff, I hope that survived. I'll have to find it. Anyway, so then we pop this open, and inside the first time, this was in there as well as the key. And that's the way that you solve this. Pretty cool puzzle, honestly. Just really cool. It's got a lot of neat parts. When you think you're done with it, you're not quite done with it, and I just love that. A lot of moving, like I said, tons of moving parts with this. And that double threaded piece was like really quite ingenious. Really good idea. Alright. To reset the puzzle, you put the coin inside there. If you're keeping the solved inside, that's fine. I'm going to leave mine on the outside for a display. I'll put this piece back on here. When I do that, if this doesn't come out automatically, this would push that through. Okay. Then I will take this bottom part and turn it around until it lines up with, as you can kind of see outside there. I am going to have to turn the middle section here so that it lines up. Okay. Then I'm going to put this piece back through and reach through and kind of bring that up. There. Okay, it was caught a little bit in the wrong thread, so I had to turn it a little bit, and then you shouldn't take a lot of pressure to turn this. Turn this one all the way out. Put the rolled up, you haven't quite solved it yet, piece of paper into there, and then close this one. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is turn it back so that those are lined up. And to make sure that it's the most challenging it can be, I'm going to push it in and turn it. And then I do need to reset this pin. Put this piece in, and then the pin will reset. I'm going to put the solved on there so that I can display that on my shelf as a puzzle that I have solved. Very cool puzzle. I love this puzzle. It's so much fun. I hope that that solution video for solving it and resetting it was helpful for you. Have a wonderful day.